Okay, so our learning objectives for today, for this masterclass, first, create videos in minutes. You learn how to go from raw video footage to ready to post content in just a few clicks using tools like Magic Design for video and BeatSync. You don't have to have design skills, right? No problem. That is what AI does the heavy lifting for us. Effortless video editing, forget spending hours trimming and editing. Tools like background remover, auto trim, and captions help you quickly clean up your footage and polish in a very professional way your different videos and marketing assets. You don't have to be a techie, so that's a great thing. Also, pro quality audio and captions. You also discover how to auto-generate subtitles and improve your voice clarity when you use voice off or generated AI voice. So this will help you make your videos more accessible, easier to follow, and more engaging for social media content. So our agenda for today, we will be covering the ideation process, AI, image generation, video editing, audio and captions. Then you will see the final results, a recap, putting it all together, a thank you gift that we have for you today, and our wrap up. So for those who stay around at the till the end of the masterclass, we will be sharing this extraordinary AI prompt guide for small businesses. So stay around, guys, and take advantage of these thank you gifts that we always share in the masterclasses. So I have the privilege now to present Carelia. Carelia is the founder of the Online Bridge. She's an amazing, extraordinary digital consultant and AI-powered content strategist. Carelia specializes in empowering Hispanic entrepreneurs with digital marketing tools that are accessible, effective, but also keeping the human part of the interaction with AI and digital assets creation. She's also a BizHack Award winner and a certified marketing coach. And, you know, Carelia knows how to turn technology into transformation. And I have had the opportunity to work with Carelia during the different BizHack courses, and extraordinary human being, mom, also an incredible wife. So we really appreciate you, Carelia, and welcome, and thank you for being here.
Thank you.
So the stage is yours, Carelia.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Angie, for the warm introduction. It's a pleasure for me to share this space with you. And welcome, everyone. I am truly happy you have joined us today. And if you are a small business owner eager to save time, reduce cost, and finally create videos that look as good as your brand feels, you are in the right place. Today, I will walk through a simple step-by-step process to make professional-looking videos with AI, even if you have never edited one before. This session is designed to specifically for small business owners like you who want to create professional videos in just few hours without needing a whole production team. We'll be using Canva Pro during this class. If you don't have access yet, don't worry. You can start a 30-day free trial at canva.com/pro. And when it comes to create images, it definitely helps if you done it before, but if you haven't, no worries. I will walk you through the process step by step. Here's a quick stat to keep in mind as we dive in. According to the HubSpot 2025 State of Marketing Report, video is now the #1 type of content in digital strategy, even ahead of blogs and infographics. That is huge, and it's exactly today's masterclass matters. Video is the #1 way people consume content. Video is essential for building trust, boosting visibility, and increasing sales. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok prioritize video content, and with the help of artificial intelligence, you can now create impactful videos in a couple of hours, no expertise needed. I know just the idea of making videos can feel sometimes overwhelming, but the good news is the help to start AI tools. We will simplify the process and make it doable, even fun. Today,
Should I share the video, Caroline? You want me to
yes,
share this
sure.
video?
Yes, this is just an example of a video, an Instagram reel, and always it'll be better to look in our content more videos than images. Today, we were creating an Instagram reel, a vertical video packed with value, no longer than a minute. I will be educational. It will be educational, engaging, and almost 100% will be created with AI tools. Here's what we are going to cover. We will start with the idea. If you can go to the previous slide, Angie, please. Okay, thank you. We will start with the idea, then create the visuals, edit the video, add voice, music, and caption, step by step, so you can repeat the same process anytime you need content. Think of this as your personal video creation blueprint. You will be able to repeat this exact process anytime you need to show up online. And to keep this class completely hands-on, I will be sharing my Canva screen so we can kick off the whole process right from there. And while I am doing that, please drop a start emoji in the comments if you are excited as I am to kick off this content creation journey. Okay, are you seeing my screen, correct? My Canva screen. Perfect. Let's imagine you woke up today with the idea of creating a great video for your small business Instagram account, but you don't have exactly how to create, what topic, or more specifically, what to focus in the video. Well, let's hand that task over to AI, and we will use Magic Write inside of Canva. Okay, in the main panel of Canva, you have to go to the doc part. And here, as you see, you will see the Magic Write option. Magic Write, powered by OpenAI, is the same company that is from ChatGPT. Is your Go AI writing assistant, ideal to quickly drafting content so you can focus doing that or letting the AI doing that and you running your business. If you didn't know already, I also own a small digital consulting business for Hispanic small business owners. So for this example, we are going to ask the AI something as simple as, give me some Instagram reel ideas to educate small business owners about AI. Let me do this. Okay, this is my prompt. Give me some Instagram ideas to educate a small business owner about AI tips, and then generate. just in minutes, the AI will help us with different kind of ideas. As you can see, we have 9 ideas to create different videos. 1, the myths and fact, AI tool spotlights, AI success story, quickly AI tip series, AI in everyday business operation, AI terminology, interactive Q&A with experts, behind the scene, AI demo. We have a lot. But for this example, we will use one that I have already created for time savings. That is this, the step-by-step integrating AI into your business, okay? When I select this area with the Magic Write tool, I can add something to that the AI continue writing, okay? Just click in Magic Write and put in continue writing. And you can ask something different. For example, in that case, I will select this. Create a script for this video. Here, this but. I will do a copy for this. Give me 1 second. Okay, I will choose this. Okay. I will put this. Create a script for this video, including visual description for each scene, and then the narrator text, okay? And then generate. Okay, the AI will do the work right now. A visual description of each scene. We have in that case 7, 8, okay, 8 scenes, an intro and an output, and we have the description of the images. For example, in that case, the video opens with an animated sequence of bustling office environments, transition to account settings, where a person is working on a computer. The title Step-by-Step Integration AI into Your Business appears on the screen. And then the narrator voice. We will use that narrator voice at the end of the process. We will see. Okay, the next step will be to create that visual description using, in that case, the ChatGPT AI generation. And why this? Because I tried to do in the magic generator for Canva, but the results not was the best. So I prefer to use, in that case, the ChatGPT. I put the prompt, and as you see, my ChatGPT is bilingual. I can speak with them in Spanish and then turn to English, and he understands perfectly. And in that case, I recommend when you are using the image prompts, is really valuable if you can specific all the details about the image. For example, the scene, the space, the light. You can use all the elements to have the right image. This is the prompt that I use in my first image, a digital illustrator or realistic 3D render in a cinematic style. And then I describe all that happens in the scene. And the first image that I create, it was this. Probably it has this word business. I can remove them with another AI tool in Canva, but the result is pretty good, as you see. I will, okay. Then I will ask,
Carelia,
yes,
just 1 second. We have a question in the ideation process from Julia Argamin.
yes,
The part where you were trying to continue writing in Canva,
yes.
and so I don't know, Julia, if you would like to explain a little better the part that you say you could not continue writing on one of the items listed on my end.
Yeah, I was following along on my Canva Pro account and putting in the questions she did, but then she said for time's sakes, she had created this already. I don't understand how to get to that step.
Okay, let's do this in that space. First, you will need to ask something general, okay?
Yes,
Create
I asked them the same question you asked, and it
okay,
came up with 7 answers. And then I
okay,
found one that I wanted, I guess, elaborate on.
okay, perfect. Let's think that this is the idea that you want to choose, okay?
Mhm.
Then you have to click here in the, oh no, you have to select, sorry, and then go to the magic right again.
The little
Okay.
pencil.
The little pencil, yes, thank you, Angie. And then you
The
have,
pencil doesn't come up for me on my end.
if you select any part, you don't
Yeah.
have the little pencil.
No.
This
And
is
you had a pro account, Julia?
Yep.
Okay, that's weird. If you are, you're more than welcome. Maybe after the master class, we're going to have a couple of minutes for our AMA. Maybe you could share screen and we could see more specifically what's going on, because I can see it here. It's active also for me.
It is. Okay, I'll just try it again. I won't be able to stay later because I have another meeting at 1:30.
okay. Don't worry.
Okay.
Thank you for your question.
Okay, all right.
Okay,
And
let's
then my other
continue.
question was the
Yes.
ChatGPT doesn't have my brand kit. So I always have a hard time when I generate pictures there connecting it to my kit, my colors.
Okay, in that case, we are not you can describe your colors in one thing that you can put is the X code. If you want to use exactly color, you can add the X code in the description. And
Okay.
it is a good way that you can have the colors of your brand kit. Okay,
Okay, fantastic. Thank you.
my pleasure.
Thank you, Carol.
Okay. One tip that is really important in the visuals is when you create, for example, I have this image and then I will create this, and as you see, have the same aesthetic. I use the prompt using, for example, I first create this image, and then to create the second one, I put in the prompt, using the same aesthetic as the previous image, create this new image, and I put the new prompt. This ensures that all the images maintain a consistent style and aesthetic throughout. We will generate in that part 3 to 5 images, as you see, with consistent style. This helps keep your brand professionally and polished. Once your visual look aligned and consistent, it's time to bring them to life with movement, okay? We will download all of these images through our computer, and then we will upload again in Canva. This is the first part. This is the third part. I upload all those images that are here. in my computer. Okay, are here. I upload all the images and then I just drag one of the images, for example, this image. And as you see, the format is like a square. You will need to produce a reel. In that case, we will use the format of an Instagram story format. And to better to do better with the whole space, we will use the tool here. Oh no, sorry. This is not the tool. I will put click in edit and then magic expand, and I will ask to create the whole page, and magic expand, we will create this for me. Let me do a new example because I don't know what happened here. Okay. No, I think that these images are in the... Okay, let's try with this. Okay, I will click on edit, magic expand. I will press the whole page because we need the image in the full page, and expand. And here, magic expand will do the magic.
Carelia, meanwhile, the image is loading. We have a question of the chapter of AI image generation.
Yes.
Simone was commenting that there wasn't able to see the prompt for the image generation in ChatGPT, that maybe you could share the prompt that was used to create the images.
Okay, this is a prompt. It's a little large, extensive, but I use this, a digital illustration or realistic 3D render in a cinematic style, featuring a modern small business consulting office with a clean professional atmosphere. The scene is set in a meeting room with the same office where 4 young Latina women dressed in stylish business casual attire with elegant ballet flats instead of high heels are seated around a sleek, minimalistic meeting table. They are viewed from behind with engaged postures, attentive, watching another young Latina woman standing in front of them. I am repeating the Latina woman because when I first did the images, the image generation put every kind of woman, and I prefer to use this specific prompt for this image, okay? And then you can see all the rest of the prompt. If you like, you can take a screenshot of that, and this is just an example. Okay.
Sorry, it wasn't Simone that asked the question, was Charlene that was asking the question. And also Michelle is asking if all prompts should be as that detailed as possible, or what do you suggest, like, of these type of prompts for image generation?
Okay, it's better to put all the details as possible, but when you add in the tip that I already shared with you, that to add using the same aesthetic as the previous image, create this new image, it will be faster because the the model is using the same aesthetic, the same colors, the same lighting, and it will be better. Okay, then continue. We already have all our images in the correct format, and here we have to download again and upload again to Canva. And this is because we will go to the next step, that will be create a motion for each of our images, okay? Here We have to upload these images in the Instagram story format, and we will use one app. Go to the section of apps, and this app is Image Animate. This is a powerful AI app that turns your images into video or motion, okay? Here you have to select the image and then describe the video. Here I will use this prompt. Being with a steady zoom in a character with a red hair. The rest of the characters are calmly listening to the presentation. Here is important that you select in the AI tool, the Luma AI, okay? This is a model that we will use in that part. And then generate. The worst part in that case is that this app uses credits, and to create that masterclass, I use all my credits. I am so sorry for that, but I would like to show you if you use the same prompt, you will have similar result. Okay, this is the image, and when I put this prompt and generate, these are the results.
Carelia, is it possible to share the prompt in from ChatGPT in the chat?
Okay, let's see. Can I do that at the end of the masterclass? Because I have
Perfect.
just the images here, and I have to return to my ChatGPT and share the other
That's
screen.
fine.
Okay,
We'll share
but
it at
I
the
will,
end of the
I will
masterclass,
do
guys.
for sure. Okay, this is the next image that I create, and with another prompt like slow tilt up into a laptop. Sorry. This is the result that I have with this app. And then the third image. And this is the result. You have to tweak, you have to do adjustment. It is really cool. I take a little advantage with the assistant of ChatGPT to have the video prompts. I said, you are an expert prompt engineering doing videos or scenes, and please help me to do that. I explained in my words, and ChatGPT gave me options on how prompting for that kind of videos because as you see to describe the video in that part, it's a really small part. You have to just only put something simple because it is not like the ChatGPT. You don't want to put a lot of details, just simple these descriptions to animate your video, okay? And the next step that we will do is to download each of our videos and prepare for the next step when we will put all together to create our Instagram reel. Okay, this is the next step. For time saving, I will not do each part one by one, but as you see, this is one of our videos. This is the other one. And this is the other one. We have to complete 1 minute long reel. For this, we will have some videos in the Canvas library. For this, I will go in this part in video, and I will look, for example, AI video. In that part, you can choose the colors. To use my brand colors, I always use the blue and the orange colors. I will choose here this, and probably, okay, there is no filters like this. Okay, I will put this or the blue one, apply. Okay, and as you can see, you have different kind of videos. You can choose the video that fits with your brand kit. And for that example, I choose that video for the intro. Then I am using the video that we already create, and I will use this other video. Remember that we have the script, the description of each visual, and it's helped us to search that kind of videos, okay? When you put all together, as you see in that case, we will add some transitions, and we will also add an animation logo in the last part. I will show you. Okay, to create that animation logo, you just need to go to the main panel of Canva and search for Animate logo. And you will have in templates, you will have a lot of beautiful animations that are already done. For example, this, you can select this, customize this template. I will resize this and will use in social media, Instagram Reels. I will resize this image or this animation. Probably this is not the best example, but you can use one already animation logo and use that for your own logo. Animate logo for Instagram Reels. Let's see. Okay, and you have a lot of designs that you can adapt and add some information about your business. Okay. Okay, let's continue here. We add this is like do a digital puzzle. You have to add different kind of videos and match all together. We will use transitions. Transitions are really great to slow all the visual presentation. Okay, to keep your video smooth and professional, it will be a great tool. To add transitions, you need to go between two videos, and here click on the Add Transition button, and it will pop up another window, and you can select what is the transition that you would like to use. For example, dissolve or slide or a circle wipe, color wipe, line wipe, flow, crop, okay? For this example, we will use the dissolve transition, which works great for educational or inspirational content. And let's see how it works. Oh, you can also add text here. And when you can write something like your the name of the video. And in effects, you can also add some specific animations. For example, I will use this, the typewriter animation on the enter, and the effect will be like this. Okay, then the next video. And all the rest of the video. And now we will give you a voice to your video, literally. We will add a narrator, a voiceover, and it's with the new AI integrations. This is really easy. First, remember that we already have the script that we have in the first step. Here, we have to go to in this section, we have to go to the elements here. And audio, select audio, see all, and you will see the voiceover generate AI voice, okay? For this example, you need to enter the text. We will go to our first doc and the first visual. Or this, the welcome. Welcome to our quick guide. Okay, let's copy and paste. You can select the language. In that case, we will select English, and you have different kind of voices. Let's review.
Welcome to our quick guide on integrating AI into your business.
Okay, this is the first one. This is the second one.
Welcome to our quick guide on integrating AI into your business.
Or if you
Welcome
prefer,
to our quick guide on integrating AI into your business.
Welcome to our quick guide on integrating AI into your business.
Great. For this example, we will choose Carol.
Welcome to our quick guide on integrating AI into your business.
It aligns better with our message. And here, generating AI voice.
A quick question here, Carelia. Are you able to import your own audio if you don't want to use the AI generated audio?
Yes, you can import. Not in that part. You have upload as an audio. As you can see, when you upload, you have the audio section, and you can do that. And yes, of course.
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, James, for your question.
Okay. I will do the same process for each video, okay? I prefer to do for each video because it's better to put all together and to fix the timing of the video and with the voice. This is the final result, okay? And I will press the play.
Welcome to our quick guide on integrating AI into your business. Step 1. Assessment. Identify key areas in your business where AI can add value. Look for repetitive tasks or data-heavy processes. Step 2. Selection of tools. Choose AI tools that align with your business goals. Start with user-friendly options to make the transition smooth. Step 3. Implementation. Begin with small projects to integrate AI. This allows you to refine your process and build confidence gradually. Step 4. Evaluation. Regularly assess the impact of AI on your operations. Use this feedback to optimize and scale your efforts. Document your AI journey and share your experiences. Join the community of AI adopters today. Need to transform your business with AI? Start small, think big, and share your story.
What do you think? It will be probably a good video, but it's something that is almost pending, that is the music. It's a key ingredient that brings emotion and rhythm to your video. It's like the secret sauce. To do that, we head again to the element parts, and here we will select the audio, see all, and as you see, you have here tones of music with different kind of styles: popular music, happy, pop, musical, epic, piano, instrumental. You have a lot of kind of music. Also, you have in the top different kind of categories: happy, instrumental, advertising, summer, motivational, instrumental, summer vibes. I will choose for this example the royalty-free music to don't have any problems with the copywriting rights. And I have a lot of options, but I will choose this. Okay, the only thing that you need is to grab this to the end of the video editor. Okay, it is important with the little hand to move this to the start, and then be sure that the music will be until the end. Okay. Here is important to do some adjustments. For example, the volume of the audio, because it is important that the music it will be in the back, but not too loud. Okay, to do that, we will click in the music and then volume. We will reduce the volume. And we also create an effect for fade at the introduction, fade in, and the fade out at the end. So this will be more professional. Okay, let's listen.
Welcome to our quick guide on integrating AI into your business. Step 1. Assessment. Identify key areas in your business where AI can add value. Look for repetitive tasks or data-heavy processes.
Okay, we will reduce a little more the volume. Okay, and let's try.
Welcome to our quick guide on integrating AI into your business. Step 1. Assessment. Identify key areas in your business where AI can add value. Look for repetitive tasks or data-heavy processes. Step 2. Selection of tools. Choose AI tools that align with your business goals. Start with user-friendly options to make the transition smooth. Step 3. Implementation. Begin with small projects to integrate AI. This allows you to refine your process and build.
Okay, and here we can also use the beat sync. If you would like to sync all the music with the video, we can turn on that part. And let's see the
Welcome to our
result.
quick guide on integrating AI into your business. Step 1. Assessment. Identify key areas in your business where AI can add value.
Probably in other reels then when you use another more energetic music or images, you will see better the beat sync effect. But this is the step how you can activate that part. Okay. The next step is super important, especially if your audience watches the sound of videos, is the add subtitles. This next step is improves the accessibility and engagement. In fact, many people scroll the audio muted, so caption help you connect better. At this point, for example, if you go to text, this is a part when you will find the captions. press text and then captions, you will see that some parts of the video, especially that the parts that we generate with AI, are not with the allowing us to put the caption. For this, my recommendation is to download this video. Okay, you have to go to Share, Download, MP4. You have to wait some minutes, and then you will need to upload again and add the captions. Okay, we will see that in the next step.
Welcome to our quick guide on integrating AI into your business. Step 1.
Okay, and let's try to do this from the scratch. Okay, we will go to social media, Instagram Reels. And here in uploads, in videos, we only need to drag the video to the canvas.
Welcome to our quick guide on
I will set the image to save time. Okay, and here we will repeat the step by step. Okay, text, captions. And as you see, we have the whole video selected, and then generate captions. Okay, don't worry, this is a glitch. The video, it's okay. And when we press...
Welcome to our quick guide on integrating AI into your business. Step 1. Assessment. Identify. Welcome to our quick guide on integrating AI into your business. Step 1. Assessment. Identify key areas in your business.
Okay, one of the best parts with using Canva is that you can personalize these captions with your brand kit. You just need to select the text, and here go to the typography. You can select the typography of your brand kit. For example, I will use one of my typography that is Montserrat, and you also can change the colors of the effect. Okay, here it's in gray. I will choose one of my brand colors, for example, the blue one, and here it is okay. And let's see.
Welcome to our quick guide on integrating AI into your business. Step 1. Assessment. Identify key areas.
Effects. Okay, I have to do it again. Okay, and then I would like to apply in the whole video. Let's see. Okay, let's see.
Welcome to our quick guide on integrating AI into your business. Step 1. Assessment. Identify key areas in your business where AI can add value. Look.
If you see a double caption, don't worry, because it is something that Canva put with the captions, and it's really annoying. I don't know why they add automatically, because when you download the video, you can see the second captions, but this is the first one that you will see in your final video. Okay, you can also, if you see some word that is not correct, you can select the text, go to captions, and you will see all the text here. And here you can, for example, I will put this in that part. And if you have some mistake, you can do it in that part. And let's
Welcome to our quick
see.
guide on integrating AI into your business.
Perfect. And finally, other great thing is that you can, in audio tools, you can extract the audio or use this AI tool that is really good, that is the enhanced voice. Okay, we will enhance the voice in the full video, and then we will check again.
Welcome to our quick guide on integrating AI into your business. Step 1. Assessment. Identify key areas in your business where AI can add value. Look for repetitive tasks or data.
Okay, and now our video is ready. We only need to download as a new video, and I will show you the final result.
Welcome to our quick guide on integrating AI into your business. Step 1. Assessment. Identify key areas in your business where AI can add value. Look for repetitive tasks or data-heavy processes. Step 2. Selection of tools. Choose AI tools that align with your business goals. Start with user-friendly options to make the transition smooth. Step 3. Implementation. Begin with small projects to integrate AI. This allows you to refine your process and build confidence gradually. Step 4. Evaluation. Regularly assess the impact of AI on your operations. Use this feedback to optimize and scale your efforts. Document your AI journey and share your experiences. Join the community of AI adopters today. Need to transform your business with AI? Start small, think big, and share your story.
Okay, and before I go, let's do a quick recap of what we just covered. We start with the magic write generative content ideas. This is the first step. Then we use ChatGPT to create the images and to help create all the visuals. Then we use the magic expand to convert all those images in the correct format, that is Instagram stories or Instagram reels is the same format. We added motions with the app of Animate, image Animate, and then we combine everything into one reel. And we add AI generative voiceover here. We choose the perfect music to bring it to life and use captions to make it accessible. And as you see, you already have our final result. I don't know if you have any question.
Wow, Carelia, so much information, and you're so generous always that when you're teaching Canva. So thank you so much for that. We know that Canva have a lot of steps, and that is why we share the recap with you guys so you can go through, follow the step-by-steps. And also don't forget, you have hundreds of apps into the Canva store that you can use with different AI features and enhancement for your different marketing assets. So you're more than welcome to share in the chat your questions for Carelia, or unmute and ask your questions directly to Carelia. So We have a question from Oliver. Once you have a reel completed in the Instagram format, can you reformat the entire reel in another format, or do you have to do it part by part?
No, as you have the final reel, for example, in that case, you have to download and then you upload and resize. Probably you have to do some changes in the format because I think that you need this video for YouTube, for example. It's an horizontal size, and probably some elements in the image will change. You can first see the results when you download the reel and then convert to the YouTube format. Or if the changes are a lot, you can change every part of the video to YouTube with the resize tool that is super easy to use, and then pull all together and have your YouTube video with the same
Michelle?
structure.
Okay, Michelle is asking if the resize option to the left side of the bar
Yes.
is where we can do these resize options.
Yes, correct. This is that part. This is the part. Let's try. Let's try. We can do a demo. Okay. Let's see. Okay, here in Instagram Reels, we have our final video. Okay, you have to select here and resize, and then go to social media. And we can go here to YouTube. Landscape. Let's see.
Welcome to our quick guide on integrating AI into your business. Step 1. Assessment. Identify key areas in your business where AI can add value. Look for repetitive tasks or data-heavy processes.
Yes, you will see to change the video one by one to in the real process to have a better result.
Okay, Yelena, go ahead. You just raise your hand.
Yes, I would like to ask you something. Can I see the whole workshop again? Because it was recorded, is that right?
Yes, we will be sharing in an email the recap of the session, but also a link for to the recording of the entire masterclass.
Oh, perfect.
So yes, this is something that you will be able
And thank
to
you,
access.
Jelena.
And
Thank
share.
you.
Dr. Michelle Brown, please go ahead with your question.
Thank you. And thank you so much for your time here. I just had a quick question because I know you downloaded and uploaded, but from the one that you're currently on, instead of each slide, can we resize it from here too? And all of them will go into the YouTube?
Yes, you can do that and it will be better. Let's try, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I will duplicate the page. Okay, and here, let's try. It's the first time that I do this, so excuse me, but I would like, it's great when you have different projects and it is something new for me. Okay, YouTube landscape, resize this design. Okay.
Yeah, when
Probably,
you think about resizing, it will try to keep the best as it can the format, but you always have to tweak here and there. It will not be perfect depending on, if this is horizontal, the quality of the video can also, be degraded. So you always have to double check.
Perfect. Can we also utilize your earlier in the script you did I believe you used AI to expand the images for, to fit your screen when they were not sized properly on your original one? Can we do that for this also when we do
Yeah.
resize?
yeah, sure, you can do that.
Thank you.
Okay, you refer that part that we need to complete the whole image or to resize the video format, just to clarify.
Sorry, I was referring to so when we're completed and we resize into the YouTube that you just had up, can we also use the magic tool that you used earlier to resize those clips?
Oh,
As
the
Emily
magic
mentioned.
expand.
Magic expand, thank you. That's the word, magic expand.
Oh, the magic expand. I usually use the magic expand for images. And this is why we change that format to like a square format into the full screen Instagram story format, no? This is the best tool that you can use to do that. And you
Fantastic,
click
thank
here
you.
in edit and then magic expand. You have to select the whole page just to cover all the blank spaces and then expand.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. I'll try that when I resize it to YouTube. I'll try the magic expand on the YouTube version. Thank you.
Yes, my pleasure.
Thank you for your question. We also have a question from Belinda about the experience of editing videos on your phone using the Canva app.
Okay, I usually prefer to use the computer because, for example, when you have all the puzzle of the pieces of the videos, for me is more easier to see in one screen and set all the details with the images, the captions, the voiceover, and all the details in a complete full screen. In the mobile option, you can do that, but you will see all each video for space. You will see all the layers.
I'm so
just
sorry. My apologies. That's not actually quite my question.
okay.
My question more so is how do you upload videos from your phone to Canva and then utilize those videos for social media?
Oh, okay. Yes, it's a completely different question.
Absolutely. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
sorry,
Okay.
Belinda.
That's okay.
I
Thank you.
misread your question. Thank you.
Okay. Now we have, in my case, I use Apple and I have the option of the airdrop to change or to send the video in my phone through my computer, okay? But if you don't have the airdrop, you can upload to the Google Drive, for example. We have an integration here to the Google Drive in apps. Let me show you. Google Drive. Okay. You only need to sign to your Google Drive account and then download the images. For example, I have already did that and I have access in my since my Canva account to my Google Drive, and I can upload direct all the materials that I have in my folders or in other parts. And Canva also allow a new tool. Here you can use the Google Drive or OneDrive if you use the Microsoft Suite or Dropbox if you use this. And you can also have another option that is, let me see, but it will be the second part of your question that sent to your phone. For example, this image, I would like, or let me choose a video. Okay, this video in share, send to phone, okay? And here you can, you have a QR code with your phone. You have to click on the QR code, sorry, and then you will upload Canva to enter direct in your Canva app and have this video in your phone. And it's easy and it's really practical. I don't know if I respond your question.
So let's take it one step further. Once you upload the video onto Canva,
yes,
how do you edit that video so that you can use it for, let's say, YouTube? Because like if I shoot a video on my phone, but then I want to upload it to Canva and then be able to use it for marketing and promotion, how would I make that connection on Canva?
Okay, let's try to do that. Let's see that. Let me do an example for you, okay? Okay. This is a YouTube format. And we will go to the video gallery. And I will, no. Videos. Horizontal. And then beach. Okay. Okay, let's imagine that this video you have on your phone, okay? We will download this image, this video. Okay, and until this will be ready. It's a little heavy, sorry. I will reduce the time. Okay, let's do it again. Okay. Okay, let's imagine that we have this beach video in our phone, okay? We are here in Canva and we want to use the video for a YouTube video for our channel, okay? First, I have to select this format and then I will go to upload and upload files, okay? I will use this from my computer, but as I explained before, if you have this file on your phone, you can use the Google Drive or Dropbox to have this video here, okay? For example, if you have your Google Drive and you
I will also add, Carelia, that you have to have your phone connected with your laptop or your desktop so you can access directly, for example, to upload images or videos directly from your phone. But if you are in the app directly on your phone, the experience is a little bit different, since you just give the option upload and you will access directly all of your images and videos on your phone. And then from there, as Carelia is explaining, you can resize to any format in the Canva app, also as on the desktop.
Correct, Angie, and thank you for that. Yes, because if you have the Canva app, you can upload direct on your phone. And when you open the web app or for Canva, you will see that job in the platform, in the web app, not just in your phone. This probably simplifies the process to upload from the AirDrop or Google Drive or since your computer if you don't have access to your computer. This will simplify. Okay, and when you upload, you have the video here, and you here can edit, add music, add captions, or add other video. For example, you can just click the plus and add other video, and you can do that. And if you close that job and go to your app in the phone, you will see that project. And you can work in your phone if you prefer. But this is how it works. It's connected. If you are using your Canva app in your phone, or if you are using the interface in the computer app. I prefer to use the app on my computer.
Yeah, the Canva editing experience on your phone is very similar to CapCut. For those who have used this tool, you have to be a little bit more tech savvy with your fingers because, you know, the screen is smaller to add video editing and captions and music and sync. All of it is possible also on your phone. But you have to be a little bit more familiar with the Canva tools and the options that you have, because everything would look very small on that screen. And as you can see, there are so many options to work with, but you can use either one. Thank you, Belinda, for your question. Also, Julia, and now for ending the session questions with Carelia, is asking about the credits, how the credits part work with Canva. As you were saying, you use all your credits. So maybe if we can just help her understand a little bit more how credits works on Canva tools.
Yeah, sure. Most of the AI apps in Canva, we have tons of apps, especially for AI generation, use credits or tokens because, to create images or to create videos or to animate, the platforms have to invest a lot of resources. And for that reason, they gave us the access just like a proof. And if you need more time using this app or this platform, we can buy direct in the platform the subscriptions. But most of these apps gave us a limited credit monthly. If you have a Canva Pro account, you will have some credits to use by month. And as soon as you use all your credits, you have to wait to the next month and to use again these apps or these platforms. But this is how it works.
Okay, perfect, Carelia. So, guys, if you have more questions, Carelia is going to be around. Meanwhile, we finish the master class. You can share your different questions in the chat. And also, Carelia will be sharing the prompt, the ChatGPT prompt that you guys requested before. So there you go. Also the thank you gift, and Jose will be sharing the link to the AI prompt guide. Take advantage of this. This is an amazing tool for small businesses and to help you boost your marketing efforts. And now for our wrap up, Jose, for our last poll for today. And thank you guys for taking the time for going through the different polls. As we were saying, they're very essential for these master classes. And now we would like to also hear you. What has been your best or highest or most important aha moment during this master class? We would love to have your feedback. How are you applying all that you have learned today with Carelia? And as I was saying, she's so generous always in the information that she shares. It's just such an amazing professional and expert. And always sharing these ways to use Canva. Canva is an amazing tool packed with AI. They recently released a lot of new features with AI. So hopefully with these masterclasses, we can continue to have you update. So you're welcome to unmute and share your aha moment so far. We like to hear you guys or read you in the chat. So meanwhile, you guys share your aha moment in the chat or unmute yourself. Let's see, we have in the chat, Aida, thank you so much, Carelia, for your passion about teaching and share all your valuable knowledge. Thank you, Aida, for sharing. Anyone else would like to share their aha moment so far? Okay, so coming up, we have more master classes coming up. This is coming up on July 16th, on Wednesday also. And this is about stop guessing, start growing. And this is the tactical part of the Masterclass 13 series, where you're going to use AI to build your marketing strategy. So we really invite you and welcome you to be part of the next session of these master classes. Also on June 27, from overwhelmed to empowered, how nonprofits can use AI to save time and fundraise more and deepen impact. This will be with instructor Ana Mantica. And Jose is going to share also the link to be part of these master classes, so you can share with peers and your different colleagues. So we have an aha moment also from Diego Esparza. I'm really surprised all can be done inside Canva. It has really made a turnaround from software meme to an MVP. Would you like to explain this more, Diego, your comment?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, Diego, please.
Yeah, I was talking about how it became it all started as a meme for Photoshop versus Canva users, and then it has made a complete 360. I mean, you can do pretty much everything. I have a workflow, a AI workflow using a ChatGPT, 11 Labs, Ideogram. I have used I tried Flux, I tried Krea, I tried I wanted to try the Chinese one. I forget the name right now. But yeah, you can do it all inside Canva. That's amazing.
Yeah, absolutely. They have advanced so much. And as you're saying, they passed from a tool for editing, and now they're a power business and company, especially for small businesses to enhance our marketing efforts. So that is amazing how these tools are advancing so fast. We also have Oliver. You prompted ChatGPT to be an expert prompter, help you create detailed prompts for great images. Thank you, Oliver, for sharing. And if you want to share, unmute yourself. You're more than welcome to share your aha moment.
Yeah, I was just amazed to see that you could how you can just keep prompting. If you're not a good prompter, you can prompt the chat GPT to help you create your prompts even better and detail all those little wordings of how the lighting and stuff. You don't even have to know how to do all that like a director would. You just, I guess you can get all the prompts from the GPT now. It's amazing.
Absolutely. And guys, don't forget, we have the scholarship, partial and full scholarships for the Fall AI Marketing Accelerator. If you want to know more about these tools, how to apply AI to your business, you're welcome to sign up and be part of this amazing course with the BizHack Academy team. Carelia just shared the prompt that she used in ChatGPT with you guys in the chat. So take advantage of that, and we are happy to see you in the next masterclass in August 16. Thank you for being here. And we have 2 minutes. So Carelia, would you like to have like your final words on how we can continue to use Canva and enhance our marketing different assets?
Yes, thank you, Angie. This is your new repeatable workflow designed to save time, spark creativity, and elevate your brand. You can repeat the same process that you see today to create new things for your small business or for a new project. I would absolutely love to see what you create. Please tag me when you do that and post in your social media. I will truly make my day. And the last thing is thank you, Angie, for this, and a big shout out to the amazing BizHack team for making this possible. And wishing you will create productive and AI-powered day ahead. And thank you so much.
Thank you, Carelia. You can share your social media in the chat so you can, follow up with Carelia and also share your assets, right? You have a great expert here. So keep in contact, guys, and thank you so much. So see you till July 16 in our next masterclass. Thank you so much for participating.